Okay, so I have my spindle set at 1000 RPM on the Acorn Wizard. The VFD is not connected, so I have the instrument. The VFD is not connected. Okay, just the probes. I will start the spindle at 500 yes, 500 RPM. Just a sec. So MDI S500 M3. Okay. Enter. Cycle start. And everything is fine. 5 volts. Okay. Great. I will increase to S1000. Enter. Cycle start. S1000. And we have approximately 10 volts. Okay. S800. Enter. Cycle start. Okay, approximately 8 volts. Everything's fine. Okay. Now I will connect the VFD and you guys will see that the voltage increases massively. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so now the VFD is connected. Okay, I will turn it on. Wait for the heartbeat. Okay, now I'll start CNC 12. By the way, this is the latest version, okay? Okay, we are okay. Now, MDI S500 M3. You guys will hear my spindle starting at a much higher velocity than 500 RPM. Okay, cycle start. All right, spindle running. Okay. But I'll try to do this somehow so you guys can see that. Wait a minute. Let me try. Let's check it out. So I'm at 500 RPM. So it must be 5 volts, okay? Let's check. Oh. Yes, as you guys can see, I hope you guys can see that. It's almost 9 volts. It's 9 volts. Alright? I hope you guys can see this. So that's it. My installation is like this. I have the drivers, I have the acorn, everything's put together. The axes are working well. The VFD is here. The drivers, and that's it.